Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Summer and thanks for joining me on today's video, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you my personal favorite products to remove like any type of makeup, but really more of the creative makeup where you need like a little bit extra to kind of really get all the colors off. Yeah, so today is basically going to be, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you the best products to remove creative makeup. So I have two products that are both oil based, and then I have two products that are like the melt away cleansing balms. First thing I want to show you is the Paula's Choice. This is the cleansing balm. This consistency, and I'll show you, is like super thick compared to the other balm I have, but when they are a little bit thicker, they just kind of get into the skin a little bit more. So there's the consistency of the Paula's Choice, and you can see it's like, it reminds me just of Vaseline. So I'm gonna use the Paula's Choice cleansing balm right here and I'll show you. So this one you kind of have to work in a little bit more. It takes a little bit more time with this one is what I should say. Once you get working, it does, as you can see, it takes everything off pretty well. If your skin is sensitive, all of these products I'm showing you are a really great option and choice. They don't irritate your skin, they don't make you break out, nothing like that. The next one here is the Clean Green by Pharmacy Beauty. This is another balm. The consistency for this, it is kind of chunky, but it goes on like more, almost like it feels like an oil when you start to smooth it out. Okay, so for this one, I'll just get a bit on my finger. I'm gonna start up here. They're both smooth. I should take the lash off. There we go. And I do have glitter, like chunky glitter on my eye. So as you can see, this just melts it right off as well. It kind of just like moves it and then you can just push it off of your face. The great thing about the balms is that you don't need any type of makeup wipe or any type of pad to use with it. You can just use your fingers. It's gonna break everything down. And then when you go in the shower and you use face wash, everything will just come right off as well. So you can see it has taken everything off there. There is a little bit of some residue left, but that'll come off when I get into the shower and use my face wash. The only difference between these two is that one is thicker and one feels a little bit more like an oil. That's it. They're gonna do the exact same thing. Next up, I'm gonna show you the two oils. So I have baby oil, which is super cheap. You can literally get this anywhere, grocery store, Dollaramas, Amazon. It is so good. And the other one here, I have the Skindinavia makeup removing spray oil. This works wonders. I have talked about this numerous times, but this is definitely a cheaper alternative. Okay, so we'll go ahead with this one first. This is really nice because it's in a spray bottle. You can just spray it on. I'm gonna let it sit just for a couple seconds and then I'm gonna start to rub everything. But for these, you actually don't have to use a makeup pad either. You can just, again, use your fingers and just kind of watch the magic happen. Like, do you see that? That was instant. Instant makeup removal right there. Okay, and then the last little bit, I am gonna use the baby oil. For this, I will be putting it on a cotton pad just because there's really not like an applicator to spray anything or, you know, put it on your hands, but it gets kind of messy. So I just slather up this pad here and then I'll remove it. And with this too, like I'll kind of hold it. Oh, I need to take the eyelash off. With this, I'll kind of hold it on my eye for a second and then I'll start to remove it. And look at that too, like this is instant. People who don't know about baby oil to remove makeup, I don't know, is that like a thing? Let me know in the comments, did you know about that? I've been doing it for many years, especially with like the heavier body paints, and it just works wonders. If you don't have anything else, it's literally the best thing to use. The last thing I want to mention, which is also a really good makeup remover, is the Micellar Water. This gets off everything as well, especially if you have makeup that really stains. If you put this on a cotton pad and just like hold it on the area for a bit, it takes it right off. I'll just take a cotton pad here and then just run over my whole face to get everything off. And then normally I'll go in the shower and use my face wash to take everything off. If you didn't want to do this step with the cotton pad though, you could definitely just go like right in the shower and take it all off. Go look at the glitter still. Oh, that's funny. That is it, guys. Those are my top 4 makeup removing products that I strongly recommend. That is it, guys. I'm gonna go take a shower and that was it. Just a quick little video this Sunday. Let me know in the comments, guys, if there's anything else you want to see. I think next Sunday, actually, I'm gonna be doing a cosplay. I have that, and then I also want to do a DIY face paint. But like always, guys, if you want to help support me as an artist and a creator, don't forget you can like this video. If you did like it, leave a comment. I'm always checking those. And you can subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you can be notified every time I post, which is every Sunday. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.